Let's say you're preparing for a client meeting. You start by asking yourself, where are my notes? And what did we last discuss? What decisions were made? What are the open action items? Did the team deliver? Tracking down all these details and files can feel like a full-time job. Copilot does the sleuthing for you. So you start by asking Copilot to summarize all your recent customer interactions, meetings, content you've shared, any issues, and deliverables. Copilot works across your calendar, emails, chats, documents, and meetings to find all the pertinent information. Now you've got a concise summary, complete with citations and sources. You can hover over names, quotes, and verify information, or even find out more. Now you know product lead times are likely to come up, so you ask Copilot to prepare all those details for you. Now it's pulling together information from various sources. And within seconds, Copilot synthesizes everything you need so you can feel prepared. Now let's imagine you're working on your business strategy. You know you need to pull together a bunch of information, and it could take you hours to find it all. Copilot brings together everything you need: the numbers, the emails with the commentary about the numbers, the additional context from Teams chats, and reasons across all your structured and unstructured data to create connections and insights in a whole new way. First, you ask Copilot to pull up quarterly projections and identify related risks. Copilot gives you key data points and flags potential issues. Now, you ask Copilot to generate a SWOT analysis based on all this information. Copilot will categorize the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats in a single view so you can see what to prioritize. You notice one of the items is incorrect, so you jump right in and change it. Ask Copilot to turn the SWOT analysis into a new slide for your upcoming executive review. Now it's creating and adding that slide. It gives you a preview so you can have confidence that the change was made and you can refine it in PowerPoint. You've had a busy day and need to update your team on some big developments. Copilot can ensure critical information keeps flowing. You start by requesting a summary of 2 meetings from earlier on in the day. Copilot combs through your meeting transcripts and generates a draft that updates the team on critical decisions to keep everyone moving forward. Copilot provides citations to show you where the information came from. You can hover over them to get even more detail. You spot some key information that Copilot missed. You think it's important to share that with the team, so you ask Copilot to go ahead and add it. It scans through the meeting transcripts and regenerates the response to include all the extra detail. With your meeting recap ready, it's time to share. You jump to the Teams channel where you can refine and post. Now that's business at the speed of AI.